fun.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Rogers. I will be teaching 6th grade social studies this year. Our class expectations are to follow directions the first time given, respect yourself and others, come prepared and ready to learn, and always do your best. Alright, so virtual expectations due to COVID this year. You need to sign into Canvas and complete assignments daily. I will be checking. You need to submit all completed assignments to Canvas. Make sure you watch any teacher-led instruction video before you complete your work. If you're confused, please contact me as early as possible so I can help you. Make sure you can do this through Canvas or your email. The materials you will need for my classroom when you come in. You will need to bring a 3-prong folder with pockets, colored pencils, a composition notebook, and a pencil. Make sure you bring them every time you walk into this classroom, please. Alright, so what we will be looking at, these are the areas of history that we will be looking at and studying this year. The grading situation will be a formative, which will be 45% of your grade, which consists of classwork and online assignments and any projects that we might do online. Your summative will be quizzes or tests, and we will be having quizzes or tests in here. And your homework is another 10%, which is class participation and a daily sign-in attendance that I will be checking on Canvas. If you need to contact me, please use my email up here to contact me. I cannot wait to meet you and to see you and to teach you this year. Bye guys.